it's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another decades of makeup look. Sorry for my voice, I do not feel well. I'ma just keep it up a book with y'all. I do not feel good, but I had to film for my first ever brand partnership. Yay! Like, I'm super excited, and I figured that I will film the makeup tutorial. This look is a 90s look because that's what the company wanted. So yeah, this the third 90s look, but my next look is not gonna be 90s. I'm ready to do a different decade for real. Like, my intentions was actually to do another decade, but your girl got her first partnership, and they love my 90s vibe. So yeah, that's what we went with. This is a simple 90s brown smoky look. I love the way it turned out. It's so pretty. Like, it's just like I feel like a sophisticated 90s woman. Okay. And yeah, so I done filmed this intro and outro so many times because I'm really struggling because I really don't feel too great. But yeah, like, I'm super excited for my first ever partnership. And yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Request different decades. I do have one that I have in mind that I want to do next, but I would love to hear your suggestions. But yeah, enjoy the video. Love y'all.
I'm starting off with my Golden Age lip oil. This lip oil is from my cosmetics line, which is Vanity Cosmetics. Now I'm going in with the LA Colors Brow Kit. This is in the shade Medium. I just wanted to switch it up. I actually do like brow powder on my brows sometimes, so I just felt like switching it up from a pencil. Alright, so as I'm fiddling in my brows, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm just super thankful and feel super blessed and grateful for the support of my channel so far. I'm trying to stay really consistent, so I just wanted to say thank you to all my bays for subscribing to my channel. Alright, so we taking this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and going into that brown. I'm putting it all over my lid and a little bit above my crease. Now I'm going into this Amrezy palette using New Yorker and OG in my crease just to blend out those edges. Now I'm taking my lip liner in the shade 90 to align my eyelids. Now I'm mixing these two shades from Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless. I got a little bit too much on. So I'm blending it out a lot. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, it's going to blend perfectly. I love this foundation. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer in the shade Light. Y'all know I love this concealer so much, and I'm putting it all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out. Now to set my concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder. This is the Pro Set and Blur. This is in the shade Medium. Love it. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Cafe all over my face. I was watching Glamazon Table. That's why I looked over like that. I love her channel. Taking this Anastasia bronzer. This is in the shade Mahogany, and I'm just bronzing my face a little bit. Next, I'm going into this blush palette. This is from Juvia's Place. I love this blush palette. It's so good. And of course, you know, I got to use my highlighter from my cosmetics line. This is in the shade Sade. I have put it on my face and my brow bone. Now adding that brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Then taking my lip liner in 90 in my waterline. And of course, what is a decade's makeup look without my Maybelline mascara? Is like one of my favorites. Next, I'm using my lip liners in 90 and 91. I love blending these together for the perfect 90s lip. I'm going to mix these two lipsticks together. This is MAC Nude du Jour. And Nika K Mellow Buff. Just lining my lips a little bit more. Now to finish off the lips, I'm using my lip gloss in Baby Girl. This is from my cosmetics line as well. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Love y'all.